Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Apoy. Apoy. Apoy meaning fire. Nagbubuga. Nagbubuga. Nagbubuga meaning emitting or spewing. Baga. Baga. Baga meaning lungs. Panindigan. Panindigan. Panindigan meaning to stand by or to uphold. Maniwala. Maniwala. Maniwala meaning to believe. Paniniwala. Paniniwala. Paniniwala meaning beliefs. Madami. Madami. Madami meaning a lot or plenty. Aksidente. Aksidente. Aksidente meaning accident. Bangga. Bangga. Bangga meaning crush. Panalo. Panalo. Panalo meaning winner or win. Pakilala. Pakilala. Pakilala meaning introduce. Kilala. Kilala. Kilala meaning to know someone or familiar. Suki. Suki. Suki meaning a regular customer. Regular. Regular. Regular meaning regular. Tadtaran. Tadtaran. Tadtaran meaning chopping board. Lutuan. Lutuan. Lutuan meaning stove. Kusina. Kusina. Kusina meaning kitchen. Linis. Linis. Linis meaning clean or neat. Inaantok. Inaantok. Inaantok meaning sleepy. Lobat. Lobat. Lobat meaning low battery. Bumili. Bumili. Bumili meaning to buy. Bumibili. Bumibili. Bumibili meaning buying. Believe. Believe. Believe meaning impressed. Kapitbahay. Kapitbahay. Kapitbahay meaning neighbor. Kapit. Kapit. Kapit to hold or to stick.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!